Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some high-end home decor using these Dollar Tree wood panels. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. And now let's craft. These wood panels come in 3 different colors. They come in black, white, and brown. For this project I will be using 5 of these. And I started by arranging them like this, but I do end up switching it later on once I glue them. So before you glue anything, I do recommend you arranging them the way you want them to go. I will be using hot glue to glue these and this little piece of wood, which is going to make sure all of these are glued nice and even. To decorate this, I am going to use a Dollar Tree pick, and I'm going to cut several stems and tie them together. I am going to make 2 small little picks. Then I'm going to glue 1 on each end. Using the Dollar Tree buffalo check ribbon, I am going to make 2 bows and glue 1 on each pick. So now you have a blank canvas to add whatever you want. You can actually, now that I look at this, I could have added some of these little floral picks on each of the panels, but instead I decided to glue this family sign that I had gotten from the Dollar Tree, and I painted the top white. I added some of these sawtooth hooks on the back. Here's where I decided to take this apart so I can move the middle one more down. And that is it. Look how beautiful and high-end this turned out. I will be using 4 of these little black panels, and I'm going to glue them together to make a big sign. Here I only glued 3 because I thought I was only using 3, but I ended up using 4. Now I'm using these little wreaths that I got from the dollar spot at Target. 3 come in a pack for $3. They are very small that I took them apart to make a larger one. I will be putting the word home. Now you can use these burlap letters that you can pick up at Walmart. You can use some letters that Dollar Tree carries, but instead I decided to use my Cricut and just cut out the word. Actually, not the whole word. I cut out an H, M, and an E. But I did use the Dollar Tree vinyl. Now I'm going to add the letters, and I'm using this ribbon just so like I know they're nice and straight, because I'm going to use these like if I'm putting stickers. I didn't use the transfer tape to transfer them. To add the wreath, I will be adding a small little hook, and I got this from the Dollar Tree. To decorate this a little more, I will be making a bow using this Dollar Tree ribbon. And that is it, guys. Look how beautiful this home sign turned out, and it looks so high end, and it was so easy and so inexpensive to make. For my next project, I'm using 4 of these. I will be making a planter. Now, to put these together and they don't overlap, I'm going to use these square dowels, which actually come from a Dollar Tree canvas. I'm actually reusing these because I forgot what I used these for. But anyways, I'm going to just cut them to size and now I'm going to glue the dowels on each side of the panels and then glue these together to make the planter. I'm going to decorate this a little more using some jute string. Now, I'm not adding a bottom to this, but you can add a bottom using some popsicle sticks that Dollar Tree carries. But that is it for this planter. Look how beautiful and high-end this turned out. For my next project, I will be using 2 of the panels and I'm going to glue these together. Now, I'm only using hot glue. You can't use like a stronger glue, but I'm not. The next item I will be using is one of these wood little planks. I'm not going to paint it or anything. I'm just going to glue it in front of it. I use my Cricut to cut the word gather and add it to the little wood plank. To finish this off, I will be adding this greenery and bow. Now, I already had this, but all I did is I cut 2 stems off of this boxwood pick that I got from Walmart. I tied it to the center and added the bow. And that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out. My first project, I'm using 5 of these Dollar Tree decor signs. Now they do carry these in brown, black, and white. I am using the brown ones. I will be adding the word relax, and I had these sticker letters, but I didn't have an A, so I will be making the A using this Dollar Tree vinyl. I'm going to simply cut out the A from the stickers and just place it on the vinyl and cut it. Now that I have the A, I will be placing a letter on each of these little decor signs. Now, so they can be nice and even, I did use a piece of wood, which I put at the bottom, and then I placed the letters. The letters are red because I am using these as like stencils, because I will be doing the reversible stencil. I am going to paint over them with some black paint. You can always use black vinyl instead and just have the letters black. Once everything's dry, I'm going to remove the stickers, and look how beautiful this looks. And look how beautiful this looks. Now to hang these, I am going to use a sawtooth hook, which I will be adding to each of the signs. But that is it. Look how beautiful this relax sign turned out.